Alright guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So behind me we have Tim's Bighorn. It's already got the lift on it.
It's got the tint.
It's got the wheels and tires. It's got the tint. That's pretty much it for right now. So a lot of cool stuff is coming very soon for the Bighorn, but today we're doing some marker lights for the grill. Before we get into that right there though, huge announcement. Let him know.
He's getting something similar nature to this.
So I bought a new truck and it's very similar to this one behind us.
Just a little bit thicker.
A little bit wider, a little faster as well.
Yeah.
So we're picking that up on Saturday out in Arizona and driving that thing home. You're coming too, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So we're heading out there on, I guess, Friday, and then wake up on Saturday in Phoenix, head down to the dealership, grab the keys, sign my life away, and then drive off in a new Ram. Let's get into the video installing some marker lights here from Vice on the Ram. It's awesome to find a company doing some aftermarket stuff here on the Rams because the aftermarket supply is it's slim pickings for Rams.
That's really cool.
Nice box. Got the,
I like the
topographical design on it and stuff like that.
What do we do with the instructions?
We open it to page 1 and then,
yeah. All right.
Oh, it's simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
You know, we're just electricians nowadays, man. Ever since I bought the Interceptor, I equipped myself with almost everything I need to do any electrical job ever. That was a lot of wiring for that car right there. That project was insane.
What was more wires, the Charger or the Interceptor?
Interceptor.
Yeah.
From the Interceptor, we went all out.
Yeah, that's right.
We did so much, like the federal signal controller, and we added more lights to it. The Charger, we didn't do that much.
It feels sturdy?
Oh, yeah. It's I think a 3D print, I think.
Yeah.
Oh,
what a
satisfying
fit.
Satisfying click.
Oh man.
Dude, that looks good. I'm gonna pull it out really quick though and we'll throw it back in once we throw the wiring through the hole. Remove the upper grill shroud by pulling up on the center of the pins and then removing the pin assembly. Let's do that first. Cool. And then after that, we remove the 4 bolts underneath that. All 12 clips are out.
Perfect.
Okay, so now with the clips out, we'll pull this guy off.
Yep, there we go. Boom.
Now we're gonna remove these 4 10mm bolts right here on the top of the engine right there. One there, one there, one there, and one right there. So we have 3 wires, 2 longer ones and 1 shorter one. The short one goes to the middle light. So let's run that in. So what I'm doing is putting the wires in right there. See right in there, there's that opening?
Yes, sir.
Just gonna run them through there. All right, bada bing, bada boom. Okay, I got these 2 in. Now let's feed the last one through. So close.
So close. It's just teasing you at this point.
Hey, don't do that. Wow, there you go. There we go. So we have the wires fed into the holes that we're using to throw the lights in. And we got this wire here just kind of hanging out. It's gonna go to the fuse and a ground. Let's put the lights in now.
Cool.
Tapping into fuse number 62. That's for the trailer camera. All right, guys, here's the photo compared to the fuse box.
There's that.
And so it's looking like we're gonna be
in there.
pulling that 10 amp fuse right, that one right.
That red one?
That red one right there. The tool here to pull the fuse out is actually in the fuse box. It sits right there. So came with the truck. So what we're gonna do is pull that 10 amp fuse out right there. Now what we do is take the fuse, we pull it out of the fuse box and put it right into the add a fuse right there. Throw it right in that guy. That's all there is to that part, and then we will go ahead and throw it right back in its place where it came out of. All we do there, and then last step is to ground it. So we'll take the ground here, and then we'll throw it onto that bolt right there. So from this wire are the 3 wires going into the lights, and then from there we got it zip tied. Got the wire loom on it first and foremost, and then zip tied it here, and then right there, all the way down the hood latch cable. Zip tie right there, a zip tie right there as well, and then down here. And then this wire goes into fuse box, and the black wire goes into the ground. That's pretty much it, we're done. All right, hold on, lights off for this one. All right, go for it. Just do accessories, not full engine. Oh, yes, sir. Turn headlights on too. See it all together. Dude, that is nice, bro. That's dope.
Oh yeah.
Nice, huh? I like how they're like a wider light.
Yeah.
Not like a dot of light.
Dots.
Yeah. What's that loud like?
Oh, that's my door open.
No, inside of here. God damn, what is that?
What is that? I can't tell. I don't know.
It's making noises. I don't know, man. Reassemble the engine cover right there and pull it outside, I guess. Finished result shows really no wires at all because with that cover back on there, you can't really see the wires at all no more. So pretty clean. Let's pull it out.
Yeah, pull it out, bud.
Let's go check it out.
Yes, sir.
I am so freaking excited for my truck, dude. You have no idea. Yeah, a few more days. So picking it up on Saturday. So it's gonna be a good one, man. Pretty pumped. Dude, your puddle lights are insane. Look at those. Dude, lights the entire side of the truck up. Here, hold on. Let's open that door again. Oh, the rear too. You have the tailgate light. Dang. Wow, shout out Ram on a bighorn. That's crazy. All the way from there, and it's lit up here too. You guys can still see it. We go on this side. Oh my gosh. Wow. So there we have it for the Vice design lights here in the grill of Tim's Ram 1500 Bighorn. A very OEM plus look, you know? Doesn't look very like added on. And if you guys wanted to maybe throw them into the closer holes to the middle, then you can do that too, or buy 4 or 5 more kits and just have the whole grill lit up.
Light up the grill like a Christmas
like an
tree.
Airport, dude. It's your money. Do what you want with it, man.
Do what you want with it.
We don't judge. Do whatever you guys want.
In fact, more lights the better.
The more lights, that's what I'm talking about, dude. That's where I'm at also. By the way, the new truck that I'm getting on Saturday that we're going to pick up, I already have, let's see, 3 mods for it.
Already?
3 or 4. One's a big one too.
Yeah.
So I'm really pumped for this. You guys need to definitely stay tuned. If you guys are here for the Ram content, don't miss it, dude. It's gonna be a lot of fun. But yeah, shout out to Vice Design for these awesome lights. We didn't get sponsored. We're just saying for a good product because the aftermarket is very slim. So shout out to Vice for making some products for the Ram trucks because it's a very slim aftermarket in general. We're about to start making our own parts at this point because it's hard to find Ram parts, to be honest. Yeah, the Ram's coming out pretty good so far. It's very simple, very clean. I love how it's all blacked out. Very well done job there, Tim, on everything all blacked out, looking really good. It doesn't even look Bighorn anymore at all. With all black look, it looks like a tungsten, man. Minus your lack of LED fancy lights that Ram unfortunately makes you get the limited trim and higher, limited and tungsten or RHO
trim,
or TRX obviously. Otherwise you get the reflector headlights and the halogen taillights, which is kind of wild. The lights come in the amber smoked or the straight amber light. I'd imagine too the actual just amber version, the non-smoked ones that we put on Tim's truck, is probably a little brighter, I'd assume. I don't know for sure, but probably because the lens in this one's smoked and the other one's not. But I think it's the perfect amount of light output, to be honest. So there you go, man.
There we go.
Looking like an HD now, man. I'll have a link down below for you guys on the grill lights. Very simple install. It took all in all like 20 minutes at most?
Probably less.
Probably even less. Very simple install. The instructions are very, very clear. Come on, Train. We're filming it. Come on, man. Hey, what are you doing? But yeah, very.
All right. Since do I need to put something on my truck now?
I think that's a sign.
I think it's a sign.
Another train horn.
Another train horn.
That'd be awesome.
All right.
PA too.
And PA too.
PA as well.
I have the box still. I just need this. I just need a speaker.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, I have one for you actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So PA coming soon on the Ram.
Yes.
Ram Pursuit package coming soon.
There we go.
Another train. Where are we right now, dude?
We're like in the train tracks.
At the train station?
I think so.
It's kind of become a tradition at this point that every time I do an install for Tim's truck, he buys me dinner. So, where are we going, Tim?
Wherever you want, man.
Wherever I want to go?
Yes, sir.
I want to go to Nobu.
All right.
Alrighty, guys, it is a brand new day. We're waiting for Tim's truck to get detailed for the very first time.
Since I've had it.
Wash. So we'll show you guys how the lights came out, how they look here in the sun. They fit great. It looks very like OEM, dude. It's awesome. But also too, what we're gonna do while I'm down here is grab some touch-up paint for the Charger Pursuit for the front bumper, because the front bumper is freaking worked. It's got a lot of like rock chips on it from over time.
When he says touch it up, guys, this is what he's talking about right here.
It's a little chip, man.
It was used.
Yeah,
it was used for.
It's got some signs of wear on it, you know. This right here too.
Yep.
And that little stress mark right there, and over here as well.
Yeah, right there.
So keep in mind the car has been used. All right. We're off to Arizona first thing. Well, not first thing tomorrow. You have to work tomorrow, right?
I know, yeah. Unfortunately.
So tomorrow's Friday. Tim has to work. When he's off work, we're heading straight to Arizona, and then first thing in the morning on Saturday, heading down to the dealership in Phoenix and picking up the new truck, man. So I'm pumped. It's gonna be a good time, and new truck, dude.
Perfect.
It's gonna be a good day.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna be a good time. First detail on the Ram. Look at that, man, all shined up. These things look nice in the sun. Perfect fit. Nice and secure. Clips in real nice. Super nice lights. Dang, this thing's nice and clean now. Wow, what a difference. Black cars look so nice, man, but for like 10 whole minutes. In the sunlight here, we can see a little more in detail how these things fit, and the fitment's really good. Very secure, very snug. Just clips right in and it holds on really tight. So that fuse we tapped into, that it recommends us tapping into, when the accessories are on the truck, these lights are gonna be on. So whether the truck's engine's on or off, accessories being on is gonna have those things on. Headlights being on or off, doesn't matter. These are always on, so keep that in mind too. If you guys are buying these for yourselves, that can't go into incognito mode if your ignition's on. So the natural look of these things, it just goes in with the grill so well. And I'm sure if you guys want to, I don't see why not. We didn't try, but these outer two can go into these two instead if you want to have all three of the lights on the, you know, most center openings there instead of having them spread out. But I think that's the better look right there anyways, to be honest. But if you guys want to do it a little more, you know, closer together, then you guys can. I mean, heck, if you guys want to buy 4 or 5 kits and just fill out your entire grill, man, you can do that too. I'm sure. I don't see why not. You ready for AZ tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
I gotta say, one-way rental car. It's an economy car. It's gonna be a little small.
All right.
You good with that?
How like compact we going here?
Knees in the chest, man.
Knees in the chest.
Knees in the
all right.
chest.
So sitting in
And
the back
nothing more than a backpack. No, I'm just kidding. Off to Arizona, man. I'm pumped. Tomorrow, after Tim's off work, and then first thing in the morning the following day, off to pick up the new truck. In the meantime, that is pretty much going to be it. So link down below for you guys on these lights. They come in 2 options. Again, they come in the amber lens and the smoke lens. Both those have the amber lights. It's just one looks amber when it's off with the amber lens, and then one is the smoke finish. That's pretty much it. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.